In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Judge Me on Shopify 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find, install, and open the Judge.me app, and how to start monitoring your review requests so you can build trust and social proof on your store. First, head to your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store so the changes apply where you expect. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Apps section. This is your hub for managing everything you add to Shopify, and it's where you'll go anytime you want to install or open an app. Inside Apps, open the Shopify App Store. This will take you to the official marketplace where you can safely browse and add apps that work seamlessly with your store. In the search bar, type judge.me. You're looking for the judge.me product reviews app. It's a widely used tool that helps you collect product reviews, star ratings, and even photos from customers, then display them on your product pages to boost credibility and conversions. Click into the judge.me listing to open its details page. Take a quick moment to review the description and permissions so you know what the app can access. When you're ready, click install. Shopify may prompt you to confirm the installation or select the store if you manage more than one. Approve the permissions so the app can connect to your products and orders. Installation usually takes just a few seconds. Once the installation completes, open the app from your apps list in Shopify. Judge.me will load in your admin and may show a brief welcome or setup screen. You can explore additional options later, but for now let's jump to the essential tracking view. Click Track Review Request. This view helps you confirm that review request emails are being scheduled and sent for your fulfilled orders. You'll typically see which orders are queued for a request, which ones have already been sent, and which are still pending based on your timing rules. If something isn't appearing, double check that your orders are fulfilled and that the app is connected to your products correctly. This page is your go-to for verifying that your review collection is running as expected and for spotting any gaps early. That's it, you've reached the point where judge.me is installed, accessible from your apps area, and you know where to monitor your outgoing review requests. From here you can explore the app's settings to fine-tune timing, messaging and display options, but you're already set up with the essentials. Thanks for watching and happy selling.